How to set up parental controls on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to set up parental controls on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to the screen time and tap App and Website Activity. Now, tap the Turn on App and Website Activity button. Go back to screen time. You can select Lock Screen Time Settings. Next, tap Set up Screen Time for Family. Tap Add Limit. Choose the app to apply the limit and then Set. Go to Hive. Select the time and then tap Add. Next, in the Screen Time section, select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle on the given button and then go to Allowed Apps to start hiding the built-in apps. Select and turn off the apps in Allowed Apps such as Safari. After that, go to iTunes and App Store Purchases. Don't allow the App Store Purchases options and control other options to prevent all the purchases. Now go to Context Restricted and tap Web Content. You have to control the web content by selecting the options to block the websites. Add the allowed websites and never allowed websites. Next, go to Content Restrictions and restrict the inappropriate content. Tap Movies and select the age to limit the control. Control other options to restrict access to games. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.